How to center the header menu in Shopify store. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to center the header menu in a Shopify store. Let's get started. Take note that this setting is not available by default in the theme editor, so we will use a custom code. As you can see in the Shopify online store, the header menu is on the left side. So let's get started. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Then, click on the online store. Scroll down, and under Themes, click the three dots next to Customize. Then choose Edit Code. Inside the code editor, go to the top left search bar and type base.css. Click base.css. Take note that some themes might use theme.css, style.css, or in rare custom ones, custom.css. But for most free Shopify themes like Dawn, it's usually base.css. Click on it to open. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the file. If there's no space to paste your code, go to the very last line. Place your cursor in front of the last bracket and press Enter to create a new line. Scroll down to the description box below this video and click the link labeled Code, and you will be taken to page with the custom CSS. Copy the entire code and paste it at the bottom of the base.css file. Click Save. Now, head back to your storefront. The page should still be open. If you don't see any changes immediately, just refresh it. And there you go. Your header menu is now centered perfectly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.